Steve here from fireready. I'm going to go over a fire suppression system here today, what the components are, and what it does. This here is a manual pull station. It's supposed to be located 42 to 48 inches above the floor surface there, the finished floor. And in the event of emergency, on the way out, you pull it to activate the fire suppression system. Now, for most restaurants and any companies with commercial settings, they use commercial cooking that involve grease, lead, and vapors, have a wet chemical suppression system. That includes chip trucks, catering, bars, cafes, any cooking operations. So this here, the red tank, is a fire system, and in the control box is the mechanical control that set the system off in the event of a fire situation. When the fire does go off, or when the system does go off, all the chemical will come through the piping, and all these nozzles will be discharged, and one of the caps will completely come off, and there's an orifice of the nozzle there, and they will spray over the hazard, being protected. This area in the back is called the plenum, which is located behind the filters, and the filters, these are what they look like, and they extract grease. And every 3 months, every month or 6 months, they get cleaned out or replaced. And so that nozzle will protect the back area. And then there's 2 nozzles going up inside into the duct. The duct, there's the exhaust fan. When that turns on, that removes all the heat, the gases, and all the smoke. Now, these copper item links here, what those are fusible link detectors. So at a certain temperature, depending what they're set at, it will let go, and once the tension lets go, the system will automatically dump. So that's a predetermined set temperature. So in this case, they're 360 degrees, which is typical for any restaurant and cooking operation, unless they're using very high BTUs. So those are some of the typical functions of the system. And lastly is the gas. This here is called an automatic mechanical gas shutoff. When the system goes off, it shuts off the gas and it terminates it to prevent from reflash. So this is what it looks like. Very nice, clean installation that was performed by us. And there you go.